Alright guys, so welcome back to the garage. Today we are working on this. It's a little mini chopper. Didn't come with a back rim. The engine it came with sitting over here. Pulled the carburetor off it because I needed the screws. The engine's no good. So we got the engine that we had on the pocket rocket here. We're going to use the screws off of that one to hold the carburetor on this one. I only had one screw holding it in last time, so. But I had to make a back rim and hub assembly for it because it didn't come with a back rim or tire or anything like that. So what I did is took one of these cheap Harbor Freight, like $4 or $5 tires, and then one of the $13 split rims, and took it apart. And this here half of the rim fits perfect on. Alright, not this one. This one's broke. This one. You want this front half because it fits on there nice and snug. So what I did is I cut that out, the center out of it, and how I did that was I took my sprocket here, centered it here, spray painted the whole entire thing, removed the sprocket, cut around the excess, leaving that, took the center, drilled my 4 holes, and then welded the centerpiece onto my rim, making this. And it wasn't quite aligned, so I have a couple washers spacing it. Don't know how well you can see it, but there's a couple washers in between the plate I made and the sprocket, so. But we're going to throw the tires on and throw the engine on. I was having a problem when I had first put it together with a chain tensioner, so I have it all apart to put these on. I had lost the original footage I made, so figured I'd have it apart, might as well show you guys. So I put the washers in to space it out. I didn't record that, but figured I'd show you guys me putting it all back together. So Alright guys, we're just going to put the chain tensioner on and it'll be all set. Well, chain tensioner is plastic tank, but plastic tank just one screw. It's literally just a flat piece of steel that I bought from the hardware store with 6 holes in it. I bought it, I didn't know what I was going to use it for, but it works perfect for this. So I could just put a spring on it, but when I did just a spring on it, the chain would still pop off somehow. I got tired of it, so with this extra hole up here, I'm just going to run a bolt with a little collar on it and a couple washers, and it works fine. Collar, the main reason I use the collar is so the chain can guide on it and not wear through the bolt, and so I can tighten the nut as tight as I can, and the bolt will be snug and solid and not move around. And with this setup, as the chain pulls here, it pushes down on the tensioner, keeping it tight at the bottom. I call it a double tensioner, and it works wonders. Chain does not come off at all now. Alright guys, there's my tensioner. Might be a little bit tight, but hey, it's all good. Alright guys, so there it is, all complete. Ready to run and ride. I just gotta put gas in it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, turn notifications on, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.